Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about upcoming series that I'm planning. So I'm planning to produce a new series of tutorials and about infrastructure. So in this particular course, it's going to be about Amazon Web Services, where I'm planning to discuss about how to create EC2 instance and in general like how to come up with your own like infrastructure and how to navigate in Amazon console, and about all that stuff. And also it's more to that, right? I'm going to talk about configuring your network and in the Amazon console, right? Like what kind of services we have. Like I'm going to talk about the major services like S3 bucket, right? Like again, EC2 instances and how to manage them. And yeah, so I'm going to talk about how to manage like Amazon keys, so to secure your infrastructure. Hopefully it's going to help beginners, because at the end of the day, we always as a software developers, we always learn all these new services, all these new tools that released on the everyday basis. And Amazon itself, I believe, myself, I'm not a big fan of attach myself to any particular provider of different tools. But again, I guess nowadays, like companies like or provider like Amazon, they give us a lot of tools to play around and create really powerful platform in order to keep your applications running. And so it's just really, they provide really good infrastructure. Hopefully guys, you like after finishing this course, you're going to be much better at understanding what infrastructure is, and going to be familiar with the base, like majority of, or at least the basic of Amazon AWS services and tools that available nowadays. Thank you very much guys, and I will see you in next tutorials. Thank you guys, goodbye.